Hello everyone, today I'll be answering the question, what does Tiger's Blood supplements taste like? So I have the Tiger's Blood Total War here, and Tiger War is a pretty popular new flavor I've been seeing pop up in different pre-workouts. Mutant has it, Redcon 1 has it, Advanced Genetics has it, there's many others that do have it as well, and it's a cool flavor. It's unique. I find that it tastes like the Tiger Pop suckers that you could get back in the day. If you Google search that, you'll see what I mean. It's just the white suckers, the red and yellow in it. And I find it tastes identical to those. And that's kind of like a mango, strawberry, kind of a bit tropical, a bit like fruity. I'm not quite sure what to say about it, but I'm gonna mix this up and then give my review. Tiger Pops is identical to what it tastes like though. So Tiger's Blood, Tiger Pop, makes sense why they named it that. I really like Total War's a little tough to inhale. You don't want to inhale it. But this pre-workout is really good. I really like the Total War version of it the most. They did the flavor the most justice, but Mutant also did a pretty good job with it in their EAA. But I'm gonna take a sip here and tell you guys what I think. Yeah, it's kind of a tropical. I feel like there's a bit of coconut in there. I got a coconut kind of taste from it. Mango, strawberry, kind of a combination of all that put together. That's similar to the Vice City flavor that Total War has, or Miami Vice and other companies, where it's like the coconut, mango, strawberry. But this one's a little different. It's a bit more leaning on like the strawberry side of things and less on the tropical. I really don't know how to put this, but a Tiger Pop, that's like if you ever had a Tiger Pop and you drink this, you're gonna be like, wow, these taste identical. And that's kind of my take on it. It's a unique flavor, but it's one of my new favorites, and I've been getting it quite frequently because I just really enjoy the flavor of that Tiger's Blood kind of vibe. I don't know. It's cool and refreshing. I like these new kind of flavors that are different from the fruit punches and the blue raspberries of days past. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.